Hello guys, how are you doing? Well, I just finished from my shift at where I work. Okay. So actually working in school, but not a teacher. I'm not teaching. I did that in Nigeria before coming here. So getting here, I promised myself that I wasn't going to do that because wahala plenty. Like wahala. Oh God. Although I work in a school, but right here, you have all sorts of people. You have the good ones, you have the, I won't say bad ones, but they just have mental health issues. So I'm walking down now to get some things from the shop. You see, it's not easy shuttling as a wife and work. It's not easy. So as I was saying, the children, they were wahala plenty. And don't mind me the way I covered myself. The weather is very cold. It's like 13 degrees now. It's very, very cold. So that's actually part of the school where I work. You can see it. It's so big. So the children is where with them. I was telling my husband the other day that I don't think I'll be able to raise my children in this country because someone had it so much. Like, they will call you racist, they will try to get on your nerves, but realistically there are lots of them that are very polite. You know, they are. These ones are being trained, but there are these ones that they are like witches and that came from pits just to come and torment you. And there's nothing you can do about it. You will not touch them, you will not scold them, you won't talk to them. My dear, when I saw all this, I decided that I wasn't going to work. Not teaching work in UK, because as a teacher, professional teacher back home, when I got here, I realized I didn't work. Kudos to the teachers here. Like, kudos to them. They try. And that's why every day teachers keep resigning. The children are just something else. Okay? So basically what I do is I mind them when they eat. So, and the people who we mind when they eat are not even babies. Okay? These are grown children, secondary school children, basically. So we mind them when they eat. But at the end of the day, you see them eating like children everywhere. My dear, it's a story for another day. Well, let me take you with me. I'm going to a shop to buy a few things, and from there we'll go home and cook and gist. today was hectic. Just found a meal. Let's undress and get back to the video. So Kaale is in the kitchen now. I have to make lunch and dinner. So I have to make lunch for tomorrow. Is 5 o'clock and everywhere is already dark. So I always make my husband's lunch every evening. Yeah. So today I came back early because I actually did not go to school. If I had gone to school, I would come back by 9. It's not easy, oh. It's not easy being here. Like, you just have to get yourself to do everything at the same time. It's not easy being here. You know, they're easy. So if you think that abroad they're easy, you know they're easy. This is like hard work. Hard work. So if I had gone to school, I would have been back by 9. So from work I go to school. My classes starts by 4 or 5 and closes by 9. I will have to stand like 4 hours to cook. When we're done that, then I come home. Sometimes when hubby is home and he came early that day, he will help me and make dinner. So sometimes when I come, that's when I enter the kitchen and start making dinner for us to eat. And my husband doesn't eat food outside. So generally he doesn't eat. So even before he got married to me, he knows how to cook, so he cooks. Okay? So he cooks. So it's not like it's because he married me, that's why. No. My husband is a good cook. He cooks very well. So he just doesn't like to eat out. So that's why I handle the cooking. So we're making fried rice for lunch tomorrow, and we're making potato and vegetable for dinner. So I already have the recipe in my channel, so you can just go to my channel and look up the recipe. So I'm using meat, chicken and fish. Okay, so I'll prep it and we will start the cooking. So plenty things, a lot of things are on the table. So this is potato and plantain for dinner. Fried meat. Can see making dinner and all of that. Most times it's very stressful. So I want to roast this one. It is roasted. We are going to have it with vegetables. So it's going to go into the oven.
I will contact these people.
I begin to I begin to
Yeah, baby. At the funeral.
It's so special. Boy, how it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're my home. Just so you know, you're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure. You're mine for sure.
I begin to I begin to
It's so special. Boy, how it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're my home. Just so you know, you're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure.